video, I test out this mystery Japanese kitchen gadget. Let's get started. Guess what this kitchen gadget does. So it looks like this. It has a magnet on the back. There is an on and off button and a little tiny hole here and a little thingy here. And yeah, what is this for? Leave a comment now before I tell you. I'll give you some time to think.
It takes a minute or a little while. I just wanna be there for you.
So this gadget came in a package that looked like this. And when you open it up, it looks like this. And it says egg hole puncher. Now, after I read this, it just was like, what? And it says peel shells easily. And what it does is it makes a hole in a raw egg, and then you're supposed to boil it. So when it's done boiling, the shell comes off easier. My mom firmly believes it works. I firmly believe it will not work, so I am going to test it out now. I don't think it'll work because once you puncture a hole, like, wouldn't it start dripping out? Like, or is it not that liquidy? Oh, by the way, the on and off button is for, like, if you turn it to on and then you push it down, then there's that needle. And when you put it on off, like, even if you press it down, the needle won't come out. And when you press it on, the needle comes out. And so, yeah, I don't think it'll work because once you puncture a hole in a raw egg, wouldn't things come out? Let's try it out. I have here 2 raw eggs. They are raw. And the way you can tell if it's raw or not is if you spin it and it goes slow. So that goes slow. That's how you can tell that it's a raw egg. And I'm going to now switch this to the on position so that the needle comes out. I'm actually very afraid to do this. So here goes. I'm gonna puncture it. I swear it's gonna get dirty. Nothing fell out! Look, there's a hole! Wait, can you see the light? Can you see the crack? There's a crack and there's a hole, but nothing fell out. I feel like if there's a crack, then wouldn't it, like, you know, be a mess in the pot? So this one has a hole, and this one I'm not gonna put a hole in, so we can have a side-by-side comparison on which one is easier to peel. I have another gadget here. It's a hard-boiled timer gadget, and what you do is you just place it in when you are going to boil an egg. So I'm just gonna place that in there, and I will slowly place in the eggs. Yes, perfect. So the one that has a hole in it, that bubble, it's bubbling out from there. That's the little hole and there's bubbles coming out. Look at that one. That one's already cracked. Wow. Nothing came out. And my egg timer says that it is medium, pretty much hard, so I'm gonna stop it and see how that egg timer in there tells me, because it's white to medium. So now I'm gonna put it in an ice bath. All right. So it's been in there for a while, so let's take it out. These are the 2 eggs. Let's start with the one that I didn't puncture first. Oh, fail. Oh, fail, fail. Oh my goodness, this is bad. Alright. So I lost some parts. Alright. So this is the non-punctured version. Now for the one with the hole. Oh look, but oh look, it's pretty. Oh wow! Look! So this top one is the one without the puncture, and it looks not so pretty. This is the one I punctured, and it's nice and smooth, so I guess, Mom, you were right.
And that's it for today. See you